Draw and color a cute strawberry. First, start by drawing an oval with a little pointy bottom. Next, draw a stem and leafy crown on top of the oval with 5 little leaves. Continue by drawing lots of tiny little seeds all over the strawberry. Add 2 big round eyes and a tiny smiling mouth in the middle. Strawberry bright red, the stem and leaves green, and leave the seeds yellow or white. We're done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.